Hi, Tyler. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Say morning to the faves.
Morning.
What you doing? You've been up and very loud this morning.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Papa said.
What Papa said?
He said I thought loudly and Papa said that.
What Papa
And
said?
he said that. Now shouting and to the figure.
Papa say you're shouting. Papa say you're shouting. Papa say you're shouting because Mama was sleeping. So you're not supposed to shout and let Mama sleep. That's what he did? Oh, you did that?
Please. Come help Papa.
No, not today.
Well, I just always had the thought if I big enough, I'd like to do something great in the homeland. And so 32 kilos, we get off with you believe
When do you do your tree line? Is it
I just did that. Yeah, is it right after Thanksgiving? We opened it for Christmas. And we had one day lights and all these wonderful food and shows and everything. Oh, yeah, that was last week when we did the tree light.
I mean, you guys are going to press.
But I had it all lit up because they had the whole tree and so.
Mama, is that Christmas?
She's singing Christmas song.
Yeah. It's good morning, babe.
Hi, faves. Good morning. Good
Mama.
afternoon and good night. It is early in the morning and we're up with sleep face. And we had breakfast and Tyler did his chores. He packed out the machine with Papa. Honey, would you like to say morning to the faves?
Good morning, faves. Well, this is what I have to since morning.
Listen.
A full energy boy.
It doesn't matter how early
Look at
the
that.
morning is.
Full energy boy.
That's his energy. Oh my gosh.
It never stops.
Yes, Tyler. I see you.
Look, Mama.
I can definitely see you up there.
Mama, look.
Fine.
Giddy up.
Giddy up. You don't know what that means?
Giddy up.
When you're on a horse, that's what the jockey says. Giddy up to make the horse go faster. As early as the morning is, Papa have to giddy up and ride him, and his energy is a 1,000, man, and that's him all day, all day. And he come and he say, Mama, do you want to play with me? Papa, do you want to play with me? He's so funny. Anyway, you guys, I have a host of stuff that I want to get done today. I started cleaning yesterday. I cleaned most of the house yesterday. I have a few rooms that I need to clean. Tiler room, middle room, bathroom, toilet. So I have like 4 rooms to clean. I did kitchen, living room, bedroom yesterday. So today I have those to do, and I am washing my hair today. And Jen might even come by. Jen might come by later to come and see this little one. Guess who is no. Guess who is stand up. Guess who is might come to see you later. Who is coming to look for you later?
Mama.
No. You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Auntie Jen going to come to see you later? You want Auntie Jen to come to see you later?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she can play with you and you can stop asking me to play with you. Right? And I have the boys to give a haircut. I have Tyler to give haircut. I have Babe to give haircut. So I have a pretty long day ahead of me. And there's something that I want to bake in the oven today, and I think I'm gonna do that first before I do anything else today. So let's go get all these host of things done, you guys. And it's very cloudy, not even a peak of sun is outside. So I don't think any outing is going on for us today, apart from maybe a walk. But no, what is it? Tyler.
Mama.
Yes, Tyler. Who teach you how to do that? Ow! I did squeeze my nose so hard. It's funny?
Yeah.
It's not funny.
Yeah.
I want Mama, no. Help. No. It hurts. Go do it to Papa. Go do it to Papa. I had to.
Papa.
You come back. No, go to Papa. Go to Papa.
Papa.
It's Papa tricking you. Papa tricking you. Papa tricking you because he don't want you to come back. Alright, leave me alone. Finish. Somebody rescue me. And Babe wouldn't even help me.
Send him to me and you have let him use some of his energy.
You coming to bake with me in the kitchen? No? Alright. You guys, my little parrot, Lord, he can talk. Yes, baby?
It's too like that?
Yes.
Okay.
He can chat. Jesus Christ. You guys, my little parrot and I in the kitchen, and he's going to help me bake. So I'm going to make some pigs in blankets. I've been wanting to make them for a while. So we buy the pastry at the supermarket. And I have a bunch of sausage here. And I have 1 egg, which I'm going to use to seal the pastry. Oh, I have flour. He wants me to show you guys everything. And I have a little flour to just dust so the pastry don't stick on the board. And I have my cutter to cut the pastry. So let's see how this is gonna turn out with my little assistant. Wait, now we have to brush them a little bit.
Okay.
With egg.
Okay.
Just a little bit, okay?
Okay, me too.
Like this. So hold it, let me help you. So you put it like that, and you just touch them like this.
C'est pas pour les filles d'abord.
English.
It's not food. It's not not for the girl now. It's not for the girl only. So it's a commence.
What do you mean?
It's not for the girl now, only the boys. It's now.
Yeah, hear what him say about why him say that.
I don't know.
Okay, so we finished now, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. Yay! Tyler is such a good sport. That's what he packed all of them, and now you can manage.
Yeah.
Take it up. Don't make it fall. Hold it tight. All right, you have to stay away from the oven. No, you can't do this part. Let Mama do this part alone.
Okay.
Okay, stay away.
Hot.
And we're gonna put it in there.
It's gonna make it very hot.
Yes. And now we're gonna bake for about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah. 20 minutes, and then we get to eat it. They are ready, Tyler. Tell her they look yummy.
Good job, Tyler.
Tyler is so excited and proud. Look at him. You ready to eat, Ty?
Yeah.
You deserve to have the first one. But it's hot. No, stay there. Ooh, you're having the first one. Bite it and tell the face if it's yummy.
Need a plate.
Mm?
Need a plate.
You need a plate?
Yeah. It's for the farm.
It's for the farm. It says for the farm. Ooh, how is it?
Oh!
It's hot. He drop it, honey. Take it up. Him drop it. Take it up.
Hot, hot.
It's hot. Very hot.
I need a plate. I need a plate.
Okay, a plate is coming up. So that's the finished product, you guys, and we are gonna feast.
Wait a minute, come baby.
One more bizzle. Big bizzle to Auntie Jen. Yay! Notification shout out.
Notification sound. I go to
High Flyer 18
High Flyer 18
and
and
Stephanie Shelton.
Stephanie
Tyler with his fresh cut going to bed. Say night night, faves. Ty, speak properly. Say night night, faves. Listen, you guys know how much he loves to goof around. Alright, go to bed. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Lay down. You guys, everybody getting fresh tonight. Tyler got his fresh cut and he's going to bed. And your girl finally got her hair done. I feel so proud of myself. And now for the last fresh person is all this. He's gonna be gone in 10 minutes. Gone, gone. And somebody's going to bed. Bedtime. Say night night. See you guys. Yes, I'm going for it, but say night night first. Say night night. There's no lemon and honey. See you guys.
See you guys tomorrow.
Everybody just look fresh today. Babe, fresh haircut. Mel here, fresh and cool. Hey, and Tyler gone to bed with his fresh haircut. Can you guys tell that today was a long day? Today
What's wrong with for you?
Today was a long day. I did so much. I am tired and I still have things to do. I have to edit this vlog and maybe I don't even edit it until tomorrow, to tell the honest truth. My eyes are like this. I'm fighting the sleep.
I support you.
I'm fighting the sleep.
I cheer on you.
I am ending the vlog right now. So
go baby, go.
If I don't get to finish whatever I have to do, I know that the vlog will be ended. Will end. So I finished my dinner. I made that baked chicken breast and I think it was good.
It was.
And I made it with some plain rice. That was that for dinner. It was as plain as it gets. And Jen came to see Tyler and to see us, and of course Tyler had a ball because Jen was here. What else happened? I gave the boys haircut, I washed my hair, and what else did I do? I talked to my family as usual. It's the weekend, so you guys know how that goes on a Sunday. We FaceTime and stuff, so Tyler can talk to mommy and just a lot of stuff. Anyway, you guys, let me stop rambling, but today was just a long day. And I'm tired and it's time to go to bed. How many times I'm gonna say I'm tired? Anyway, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Honey, you have nothing to say. You just sit there looking.
I'm listening. That's with you a lot.
Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching and enjoy this vlog. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, though it wasn't much, but we give you what we have.
What about the Jamaican expression?
Oh, see, you do have something to say.
The French expression for tonight will be as for tonight, that's not gonna be an expression, that's gonna be a word, and the word just come to me when I look here. That is the Christmas tree. So in French, we don't translate tree by arbre. Tree, the original word is arbre, but we translate it by the type of tree that is in. So it's a sapin. Sapin is a specific type of tree that is Christmas tree. Understand? Mm-hmm. So it's not arbre de Noël. We used to say sapin de Noël. Say it.
Sapin de Noël.
Right.
Means Christmas tree. Alright, you guys. The Jamaican expression for today is Mina bada go de den.
Mina bada go de den.
Yes. If somebody say, yo Mel, you still coming with me to go to downtown? I'm gonna say, no, we not bother go there then because yada yada yada. Probably give a reason to say why I'm not going to go. So it's simple translate that I am not going there anymore, or you're not going there again. Me nah bother go there then.
Me nah bother go there then.
Me nah bother go there because me don't like the girl down there.
You don't like the girl down there?
Yes.
Oh boy.
I'm not where we're going because I don't like the girl down there.
She'll say that she don't like the girl down there.
Say it.
No.
Say it now. Say me nah bother go there then.
You can't tell you that.
Baby.
Okay, me nah bother go then.
Me nah bother go there then.
Me nah bother go then.
Yes, me nah bother go there then. Anyway, you guys, there we have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yeah. So anyway, you guys, I am taking my sleepy self to my cozy bed and enjoy my sleep tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and catch man, keep up and turn on the notification because you don't want to miss a beat. Because if you miss a beat, then you'll miss the beats. Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I know I'm crazy.